If I could give one piece of advice to plant managers or project managers for dust collection, I would tell them find a partner, consultant, supplier who knows dust collection and partner with them for your system. We are happy to share all kinds of information with our customers and potential customers, and they can do a lot of research on their own. They can figure out a lot of, the sizing requirements, the duct requirements. They can do a lot of that on their own, but there's a lot of pitfalls and potential issues. Dust collection is kind of its own niche, engineering discipline, and so you'll avoid a lot of those potential risks, pitfalls, and so forth if you partner with someone who does it full time, rather than trying to spec and design a system, based on information you've pulled from various sources. So my advice, find a good trusted partner to help you design, size your system, install it, etc., because it'll save you a lot of headaches in the long run.